Welcome to Help screen. This is how to make taskbar bigger or smaller in Windows. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the bottom left corner of the screen and go to the settings over here. And now from here, go for personalization. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and go for taskbar over here on the left side tab and go for over here use small task bar buttons, and as you can see it will be much more smaller, and I could just simply turn it off to make it bigger over here. And there you go. That's how to make taskbar bigger or smaller in Windows 11 by just turning it on and off. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.